Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by making sure the Emoji keyboard is active. This is the step that controls which key appears on the keyboard. Go to Settings, then General, then Keyboard. You'll see keyboards listed. If Emoji isn't present, tap Add New Keyboard and choose Emoji. Once it's added, tap Edit and drag Emoji to the top so it becomes the primary alternate key. This changes how the globe/smiley button behaves when you type, which is why order matters. Now you'll verify the change in a live keyboard. Open Messages or Notes so the keyboard appears. You should see the globe or smiley on the left of the spacebar. Tap it once to switch to Emoji. This confirms Emoji is active. If you long press the globe, a menu appears allowing quick selection of keyboards and temporary reordering, so you can confirm placement without returning to settings. Make sure to try a quick input, because tactile response tells you if positioning worked. Finish up by testing across apps. You want consistent emoji access everywhere. If the button didn't change, close the app or restart the iPhone. Settings sometimes need a restart to apply. If problems persist, remove extraneous keyboards so emoji becomes the primary alternate, and then re-add any you need. One key troubleshooting tip. Reset the keyboard dictionary via Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer or Reset iPhone right arrow Reset, because corrupted settings can cause the globe/emoticon to behave inconsistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.